Now that you know what's in my travel makeup bag, I can finally show you what I also have in my toiletry bag or toiletry bags because I prefer to have something separately. This is everything that I take with me for a long travel, so anywhere from 1 week to 4 weeks, something like that. So let's start with my body care products. The first thing that I packed is the body lotion. This one is a bigger size because, like I said, if I'm traveling for a longer period, having a bigger size on hand makes sense. The second thing in my bag is the deodorant, which is obviously an essential. And even though I have more natural versions at home, when I'm traveling, because I'm not packing as much clothing items, I want to have stronger deodorant. Then I also love taking my perfume with me. This one is actually a travel size version from Chanel and I really love it. It was in my 2020 favorites and I just can't get enough of it. The next thing in my bag is this small little razor that it's a travel size. This is the only razor that I have because I don't have the need to have much more. And usually I wax, but yeah, if I'm going away for a week, I don't take this with me, but if I go away for longer, I bring it with me so I can just freshen up. The next essential that I have is my reusable Q-tip that I really enjoy to travel with. It has this cute little travel case, so I don't have to use disposable ones. Now, if we continue with my hair care products, the first thing that I have is my shampoo. I have it in this little cute travel case, so I don't have to take that much product with me. The same goes for my conditioner. Again, I have it in my travel size case, so I can pack a lot less and the bags are not as heavy. Then I also enjoy to have some kind of a dry shampoo travel size version with me because I usually wash my hair every 4 or 5 days, so if I just feel like I want to freshen up, this is perfect to have on hand. And then I also have my hair mask that I love. This one is from Moroccan oil. Again, if I'm traveling for a week, it's not something that I take with me, except if I'm going away on summer holiday because that's when my hair needs it most. Then I also have my hairbrush. This one is a small one and it's the only one that I take with me. I also take my hair clip with me because it's very useful to put my hair up. Then I have my small reusable hair elastics, and then the last hair product that I have is just a big scrunchie. Now when it comes to face products, this is where I simplify the most. And the first thing that I have is my face oil that I use as my makeup remover. I use it as my night cream and also as a hair oil. So it's a 3-in-1 product and I really enjoy it. Now this little case that you see, it's filled with face wash because again, I don't want to have the whole bottle with me. That's gonna be too much. So I just pack it in here. And also if I'm away for longer, this is the product that I use as well for cleaning some of my makeup brushes or a beauty blender. Then I also have a toner, which it's an essential for me. I use it at day and at night. And again, I put it in the travel case. All 4 travel cases that you've seen so far, I got from L'Occitane. They're really cute and I just really enjoy them. Then I have the Ordinary Buffet Serum that I use as my day serum, as my night serum, and also around the eyes as an eye cream. So again, another multitasking product that I really enjoy. For a face cream, I usually have just one day cream with an SPF. This one is from the Body Shop. It's an SPF 50, which I really enjoy for summer months, but in the winter months, I pack a cream with a lower SPF. And then the last thing for my face, even though I use reusable cotton pads at home, I usually just pack a little packet with me and that's what I use while I'm traveling. All of these products so far, I just pack in my big toiletry bag so I can put it in my suitcase and I can forget about it. But then I also have like a mini toiletry bag that I have close to me so I can do my routine before I leave the house or when I arrive at a destination. What I keep in here, the first thing, because I wear glasses, I have my lens case, my travel lens solution and some extra lenses just in case. And then I also have essentials such as floss, I have my toothbrush and obviously a toothpaste. So this is everything that I keep in my extra mini toiletry bag. Yes, I could have everything in a bigger bag, but I just prefer to split the two because it makes traveling easier. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time.